Title: SEC charges Stoner Cats NFT project starring Ashton Kutcher and Mila Kunis. Greetings, breaking news subscribers. We have breaking news regarding the animated Web3 series Stoner Cats, featuring Hollywood stars like Ashton Kutcher, Mila Kunis, Chris Rock, Jane Fonda, Seth MacFarlane, and more. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has filed charges against Stoner Cats creators for conducting an unregistered offering of NFTs. Notably, Kunis and Kutcher actively promoted this project. Stoner Cats 2 LLC has agreed to pay a $1 million civil penalty and establish a fund to refund NFT buyers. Although they didn't admit wrongdoing, this action stemmed from their NFT sale that raised over $8 million. The series revolves around cats with newfound speech abilities due to inhaling medical marijuana. This incident emphasizes the importance of understanding the legal aspects of crypto projects. We encourage you to subscribe to Breaking News for timely updates. Share our content with friends and activate notifications to stay informed about our latest videos. This article was crafted by the Breaking News team.